small message from me to all my teachers. Dear teachers, your dedication, patience and determination has allowed me to pursue all my ambitions in my life. Happy Teachers' Day to all my wonderful and hardworking teachers. Thank you.
Happy Teachers' Day.
Namaste. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, this little poem is dedicated to our loving teachers by me, Diya Bhatt, and my friends Adya Tiwari, Akshita Gurmukhani, Urvi Singhal, Sia Bheda, and Mishka Patel.
Every day, you greet your students with a smile upon your face. Though paperwork the night before seemed like a grilling race.
Money is not your motivation, it's the love for what you do. You hear this special calling to which you always will stay true.
Your students are your dedication, devotion is to them. To you, every child is unique and special, a beautiful little gem.
Some days are just demanding and frustration takes its course. Then you see those little faces. Their inspiration is your force.
Each day you are in your children's classroom reminds you why you're there, making differences in children's lives with whom your heart you share.
There is special pride in teachers and a love for what you do, and appreciation always shared between those little lives and you. We are grateful to you all today and every day. Wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day to all my lovely teachers. Dear Sudha ma'am, I know it's not an easy time and we are tough nuts. We do a lot of mischiefs by turning off our video, but you are very patient and caring. At this juncture of Teachers' Day, I would like to thank all my respected teachers, Sudha ma'am, Sarmishta ma'am, Ananya ma'am, Shalini ma'am, Divya ma'am, Mansi ma'am, Director Sim ma'am, Ananta ma'am, Kanchan ma'am, and all my fitness teachers. Last but not the least, I'm craving to meet all my teachers and friends in school and enjoy the new school atmosphere. Thank you.
शाळा म्हणजे एक आठवण मनाच्या गाभाऱ्यात साठवलेली. शाळा म्हणजे एक अनुभव प्रत्येकाच्या आयुष्यात एकदा तरी येणारा. शाळा म्हणजे एक मंदिर यशाच्या शिखरावर नम्रतेची पूजा शिकवणारे. शाळा म्हणजे गुरु पावलोपावली बळ देणारा जगण घडवणारा. शाळा म्हणजे शिस्त आयुष्याला वळण देणारी जगण्याला अर्थ देणारी. शाळा म्हणजे माहेर पुन्हा पुन्हा यावेसे वाटणारे. शाळा म्हणजे एक गोड नाते सगळ्यांनाच बांधून ठेवणारे. शाळा म्हणजे एक साठवण मौज मजेची आनंदाची कधीही न विसरता येणारी. आणि ह्या शाळाला बनवणारे तुम्ही. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day.
Hello teachers, I am Prahlad Sombai from grade 6C and I am going to perform a song named Believer for all of you. Happy Teachers' Day.
नमस्ते। आज मैं विहान बालाजी और मेरे दोस्त राघव चतुर्वेदी, आरव गुप्ता, आरव उमले और अथर तिवारी शिक्षक दिवस के अवसर पर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। माँ बाप से भी ऊंचा मान होता है, भारत में शिक्षकों का सम्मान होता है।
प्यार से, डांट से या कभी इनकार से शिष्यों के लिए शिक्षक वरदान होता है। मिट्टी को हीरा सा को नूर बनाना नींव के ईंटों में योगदान होता है।
ज्ञान का भंडार इनके चरणों में यारो, रोम रोम इनसे प्रकाशमान होता है। जीवन अंश मानस चरणों में है अर्पण, आँख खोल देता कृपा निधान होता है, भारत में शिक्षकों का सम्मान होता है। विशिंग यू ऑल अ वेरी हैप्पी टीचर्स डे फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ अस। थैंक यू।
Namaste to all. This is a heartfelt dedication from the parents of grade 6 to all our respected and loving teachers. आदर्शों की मिसाल बनकर बाल जीवन संवारता शिक्षक, सदाबहार फूल सा खिलकर महकता और महकाता शिक्षक, नित नए प्रेरक आयाम लेकर हर पल भव्य बनाता शिक्षक।
दिव्या मैम खेल खेल में बहुत कुछ सिखाती, कुछ पहेली पूछती, कुछ जोक सुनाती और ऐसे ही अपनी मातृभाषा हिंदी को बहुत आसान बनाती।
Speaking correct English always has an advantage. You are here to improve our language, be it grammar or creative writing. Manjima ma'am, you make the class so exciting.
सिर्फ पढ़ाती ही नहीं, मस्ती भी है गौरी मैम कराती। गाने सुनाकर खेल खेल में बच्चे सीख जाते मराठी।
Whether it is coding or PowerPoint presentation, your simple teaching style gives us motivation. You make computer classes easy to learn. Your loving smile, simple attitude makes computer class a real fun.
खेल खेल में बच्चों को फिटनेस है सिखाते, घर से ही सबको कसरत है कराते। मेहनती और चुस्त देव सर, सहनशील और प्रेरित अश्विनी मैम नए नए पैतरे बनाकर बच्चों को हेल्दी और फिट बनाती।
स्प्रिंटिंग, रनिंग, याहो स्क्वाट, पृथ्वी सर, दीपांशु सर और विनीत सर, इनकी ट्रेनिंग की अलग ही है बात। जंपिंग जैक, पुशअप्स हंसते हुए सिखाते, सभी बच्चों को है स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाते।
बात जब ज्ञान की हो या फिर विज्ञान की हो, प्रोजेक्ट में ग्रुप टास्क की हो, सिंपल मशीन या फोर्स के अभ्यास की हो, सुधा मैम के प्रेजेंटेशन से क्लास की होती है शुरुआत और शर्मिष्ठा मैम की नॉलेज का भी होता है पूरा सार और बच्चों को हर कॉन्सेप्ट झट से हो जाते हैं याद।
History has always been a mystery. Geography has complex topography. Ananya ma'am and Shalini ma'am have made learning SST so interesting. Past, present and future are now a wondrous thing.
गणित समझना था बहुत ही मुश्किल, बच्चे करते रहते थे प्रयास, फिर भी ना मिल पाती थी मंजिल। नैना मैम ने दिया इस मुश्किल का ऐसा हल, अभ्यास करा कर दिया बच्चों को नंबर 1 के काबिल।
Creative thinking and execution make our kids smart. Mansi ma'am, you play a big role by teaching them art and craft.
She guides all, she inspires all, she teaches all, she encourages all. Indu ma'am, you push everyone to do their best. We thank you from our heart and truly admire your teaching zest.
अक्षर अक्षर हमें सिखाते हैं, जीवन क्या है हमें समझाते हैं, वही तो हमारे सच्चे गुरु कहलाते हैं। आशा है आपको हमारी कविता अच्छी लगी। विशिंग यू ऑल अ वेरी हैप्पी टीचर्स डे फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ अस।
This song is for all the teachers we've come across. Teacher, see the good inside me. Take my hand and guide me your way. Teacher, when you see me giving up, teach me how to stand up again. Thank you for all that you have done, and thank you for all you do. I've been molded by your hands, so thank you, thank you. Teacher, we are still the young ones, but we will be the young ones for long. Teacher, take me and find me. When you are beside me, I'm strong. When I'm old and wiser, I'll remember you. Promise I'll grow stronger at the thought of you. Thank you for all that you have done.
I messed up tonight, I lost another fight. I still mess up, but I'll just start again. I keep falling down, I keep on hitting the ground. I always get up to see what's next. Birds don't just fly, they fall down and get up. Nobody learns without getting it wrong. I won't give up and I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. And I won't believe, I wanna try everything, I wanna try even though I could fail. Oh, 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 try everything, oh, 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 try everything, oh, 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 try everything, oh, 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 try everything. I would like to thank all of my teachers for inspiring me to always try harder every time I fail. Thank you. All of you, a wonderful Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day to all our dearest teachers. My name is Devang JD from class 7A. I'm making this video to thank you all to come in my life as a guru, as a mentor, and also to teach me a lot of lessons, and I'm still learning from you. And also for thank you to correct all my mistakes, whatever I did. I'm also sorry for all the mistakes I've done. And may you have a great day, and may God bless you all. And again, Happy Teachers' Day.
पिता
नमस्ते, मैं ईजान भूरे की नानी बोल रही हूँ। ज्ञान की पूंजी है एक शिक्षक। शिक्षक शब्द का अर्थ हमारे जीवन में बहुत महत्व रखता है। माता पिता पेड़ की तरह हमारे व्यक्तित्व की नींव रखते हैं, लेकिन उस पेड़ को परवान चढ़ाते हैं हमारे शिक्षक। शिक्षक कभी भी स्वार्थी नहीं होते। वो स्वयं अपने घर, अपने बड़ों, अपने बच्चों के साथ साथ हमें, जिनके साथ कोई रिश्तेदारी नहीं, उतनी ही सहनशीलता और प्यार से जिम्मेदारी उठाकर एक सुंदर सुशील आकार देते हैं। शिष्य अगर अपने शिक्षक की बताए मार्ग पर चले तो वह एक बेहतरीन साँचे में ढल जाता है और तभी उसकी जीत निश्चित है। इसीलिए माता पिता से अधिक स्थान हमारे जीवन में शिक्षक का है। वो एक छात्र को सुंदर अस्तित्व में ढालने अपना कीमती समय निछावर करते हैं। मैं अपनी तब सभी शिक्षक का दिल से आभारी हूँ। Happy Teachers.
Happy Teachers Day to all my loving teachers. This song is for you all.
Dear teachers, it's our second year into the pandemic, and most of us had a tough time at one point of time or another. Your teachings have come a long way with children who beam with smiles when they see you, hear you, and talk to you. They terribly miss you when you take a much-deserving short break. They get worried when you fall sick. They pray for your recovery and ask for constant updates. It's this bond between them and you which keeps on getting stronger by each passing day. Teachers, you have become an inseparable part of our lives. Our children eagerly wait for the school to reopen. We, as a parent, take this opportunity to tell you that it's not only children, but parents as well, who cherish these moments. We sincerely express our heartfelt gratitude to all the teachers for making our children better human beings. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
गुरु मात पिता गुरु बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में स्वामी मेरे कोटि प्रणाम। तेरे चरणों में स्वामी मेरे कोटि प्रणाम। तुम ही भक्ति हो, तुम ही शक्ति हो, तुम ही आराधना मेरे शंभु शिवाय। तुम ही आराधना मेरे शंभु शिवाय। गुरु मात पिता गुरु बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में स्वामी मेरे कोटि प्रणाम। तेरे चरणों में स्वामी मेरे कोटि प्रणाम। सभी शिक्षकों को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू।
Namaste, I am Mrs. Shivkumar. I teach in Abracadabra School. The pandemic has affected all our lives. One such way is the online school. See, in an online school, it is no longer teacher and students in a class. It is teachers, students and parents. I will tell you how. Since last month we had a drawing competition. Small senior KG students. One child decided he will draw an apple and see what he submitted. All arts and crafts is very beautiful these days. Very neat, very clean. So we have decided this year in the report card, along with the child's name, we are also going to put the parent's name. Nice now it will be. Child, parent in the same report card. In another incident, when teacher was talking, you know how difficult it is to control an online class? One child looking here, one child looking there, somebody not switching on the camera, somebody switching off the camera and talking to his friends. The poor teacher somehow managed to control the classroom, and suddenly, out of the blue, the parent popped up. And what is the parent saying? Teacher, you're looking so nice today. Your dress is very beautiful. Your earrings are very beautiful. What happens to the class? The entire class rolled in laughter. And that is how that entire class ended. Poor teacher. I hope you enjoyed this. This is Rupali Shivakumar. I am a grade 9 parent. I want to thank all the teachers for the support and encouragement you give to our children. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you.
Happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers. Here's something that I prepared for all of you. Happy Teachers' Day. Mentor, guide, advisor, creator, helper, leader, and motivator. Hope you like that tiny gesture.
Hello all, a very happy Teachers Day to all the Avalon teachers. Let's start with our physics covering all topics in wide spectra. We have Sir named Chandra. हिंदी भाषा का फैलाए उजाला, ऐसी है हमारी मैडम गजाला. Be it any author or writer or Shakespeare, why to fear when Farida madam is there? Biology. From cell to chromosome, the learning goes zoom, zoom, zoom. Thanks to Madam Zoom Zoom. Symbols and formulas are made so easy even at home. Thanks to Madam Home. Maths. She gives practice in maths aplenty. It's none other than Madam Jayanti. Tejal Madam. She makes history memorable and enjoyable. Teaching geography with lot of enthu, it's none other than Madam Pinku. A warm thanks to all the Avalon teachers, as it says, Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Thank you again.
Hello everyone, I have composed a short poem for the teachers of Avalon. In the kingdom of knowledge, the kings and queens rule the heart of our schools and college. A clay molded in a nascent stage, are words to be written on an empty page. Young fertile minds, the king and queen of knowledge they bind. Grow up in the shadows of knowledge, the kings and queens of today are the teachers of our future. They secure our country's mind and carefully they nurture. Wish them all the very best on the day as we celebrate Teachers' Day. Thank you.
We praise you. You Avalon teachers are so dear, who understand every child's fears, who work so hard in every sphere, like a parent who's always near. You help each child through thick and thin, like a mother you have always been. You are to us like our own kin. Our hearts you all forever win. We celebrate this special day with lots of joy and love, and thank the Lord from deep within our hearts for our children to be blessed with your presence in their lives, as you all keep pushing them to always strive. We praise you for your unconditional love. We praise you for your humility. We praise you for your kindness. We praise you to eternity. Happy Teachers' Day.
परिवार समूह कुल, आप सभी को है सादर नमन। शिक्षक दिवस का है अवसर पावन। एवलॉन है हमारा सबसे न्यारा, ये है हम सबको सबसे प्यारा। हमारे बच्चे हैं इस बगिया के सुंदर फूल, रहे अजर अमर हमारा ये परिवार कुल। सिम्मी अनाहिता सलोनी मैम है इसकी जड़ मूल, सारे शिक्षक हैं इसके मजबूत घने टहनियां खूब। जितना भी कहूँ रुके ना ये मन, विद्यालय हमारा है ये ललित चमन। स्नेह प्रेम सहभागिता संवेदनशीलता, तनिक न घटे ये परस्परशीलता। ममत्व अपनत्व लगाव से परिपूर्ण, ये है हमारे बच्चों का द्वितीय गृह। हे प्रियगण, हम सभी का है ये कथन, आप सभी का अंतर्मन से हार्दिक अभिनंदन, हार्दिक अभिनंदन। अंत में जग घूमया थारे जैसा न कोई, जग घूमया एवलॉन जैसा न कोई। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे। थैंक यू।
Wish you all a happy Teachers Day. AVALON. Avalon rocks.
Dear teachers, it's the second year into the pandemic, and most of us had a tough time at one point of time or another. Your teachings have come a long way with children who beam with smiles when they see you, hear you, and talk to you. They terribly miss you when you take a much-deserving short break. They get worried when you fall sick. They pray for your recovery and ask for constant updates. It's this bond between them and you which keeps on getting stronger by each passing day. Teachers, you have become an inseparable part of our lives. Our children eagerly wait for the school to reopen. We, as a parent, take this opportunity to tell you that it's not only children, but parents as well, who cherish these moments. We sincerely express our heartfelt gratitude to all the teachers for making our children better human beings. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything.
Changing, look at everything that's come and gone. Sometimes when I play that old six string, think about you, wonder what went wrong. You're standing on your mama's porch. You told me it would last forever. And when you held my hand, I knew that it was now or never. Those were the best days of my life. Oh yeah, back in the summer of '66.